OxyContin, or oxycodone, is a powerful opioid painkiller. It works by targeting your brain's reward and pain centers. When you take OxyContin, it binds to opioid receptors in your brain and spinal cord. This blocks pain signals and floods your brain with dopamine, the feel-good chemical. That rush of dopamine creates euphoria, a sensation of intense pleasure. But here's the catch. Your brain starts to crave that feeling. Over time, OxyContin rewires your brain. It builds tolerance, meaning you need more and more to feel the same effects. And if you stop, withdrawal symptoms hit hard. Pain, anxiety, nausea. What begins as relief from pain can spiral into dependency and addiction. This is why OxyContin is at the heart of the opioid epidemic. There are helpful resources out there like How to Kick Opioids Now, a self-help guide offering practical steps to overcome addiction. Available on Amazon, this book provides strategies for detox, managing withdrawal, and reclaiming your life.